So this is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our EURJPY. So to those of you that are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also stay updated by following the Telegram channel. You will find the links to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So first and first, before we take a trade, we need to understand something, and we need that thing we need to understand is the trend. So we need to know what the trend is on EURJPY. Before you take a trade, first thing first is what is the trend. As you can see, we have the main trend and we also have a current trend. Now on the main trend, we can see that we are in an uptrend move. EURJPY is clearly trending to the upside. As you can see, we are having a series of higher and higher low, right? So basically, if you're a position trader, you would like to hold your position for the next 4 months to 6 months, going for the buy, because markets will push up in the long run to completely clear the side and even push further up. So in the long run, you can go in for the buy. But if you are a day trader and you would want to see what market to be doing currently, then you need to make use of the current trend. And what is the current trend? Ranging. You can see that when markets came to this resistance, we had it through to tap our support. The market was able to come back to tap the resistance and injected back to the support level. Market was able to rally back to come to this resistance, which gave us a false breakout. Now market has now dropped back to this our support. So our next movement on EURJPY will be a bullish move that will come to tap a level of 184. Currently, we are trading at a level of 183. So let's see a bullish move for the day on EURJPY that will push us to tap a level of 184. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So you just need to just click on that subscribe button, like, share, and make